Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shadow in Affinity Designer. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and select your image or shape that you want to add shadow to. Could even be text. Then I want you to just right click on it and then click here on rasterize. After that I want you to go ahead and just make sure that image has been selected, and then I want you to come here and click on layer effects. From here I want you to go ahead and look for shadow. Now you can go ahead and do an inner shadow or an outer shadow. I'll go with the outer shadow. Go ahead and toggle this one on. Then at blend mode, I want you to go ahead and select normal right here. So just select normal and adjust the opacity. But first I want you to go ahead and adjust the radius. So you need to increase the radius, increase the offset and intensity. As you can see now, I'm actually forming a shadow. If I want to bring this on this side, I can change the angle as well. Can increase the opacity. As you can see, it is a much deeper shadow, and of course you can adjust the radius as well. Then you just go ahead and close that, and there you go. That is how to add shadow in Affinity Designer. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.